BAGAIL 8 Set Packing Cubes, Ultimate Luggage Organizers for Travel Accessories, Lightweight, Durable, Cream. Upgrade your travel game with the BAGAIL 8 Set Packing Cubes in Cream. These packing organizers are designed to maximize your luggage space, ensuring a smooth and efficient packing experience. Made from premium polyester, these cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains while withstanding the wear and tear of travel. The water-repellent feature safeguards your belongings from spills and leaks, making these cubes essential for any trip. The lightweight and durable fabric of the BAGAIL Packing Cubes allows you to store your clothes neatly without adding extra weight to your luggage. Each cube is equipped with a sturdy, smooth double-way zipper and an extended cord for fast and easy access. The soft mesh top panel not only protects delicate items from wrinkles and odors, but also allows for easy identification of your clothes, saving you time and hassle during your travels. Organize your packing like a pro with multiple sizes and vivid color options available in this set. The cubes fit perfectly into most airline carry-on bags, totes, backpacks, and duffel bags, making them versatile for family breaks, business trips, vacations, hiking, camping, and more. By separating different items into designated cubes, you can avoid misplacing belongings and make full use of your luggage space, ensuring a stress-free and organized journey. BAGAIL stands behind the quality and durability of its products, offering full protection to customers. If you encounter any quality issues, our friendly service team is ready to provide solutions and ensure your satisfaction. These packing cubes are not only effective in organizing your luggage, but also offer peace of mind, knowing that your clothes are protected and your packing is efficient. Choose BAGAIL Packing Cubes for your next trip and experience the ultimate in travel organization.